private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl is so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by one at a time. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long say call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there.
Morning people. I hope you guys are good, cause me, I'm good. Guys, today we're going to Dandee, me and my family, at the family's farm. We're going to Dandee, and right now my family and I are still preparing to go. And yeah, it is clean. This is what I'm wearing. But anyways, ek play apua. To those who understand, hambanan, ek play apua. But anyways, yeah.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong.
Yes, it's in hello.
Hi everyone. The last time Nimbona.
Why Jan?
Why right? Because this one. But anyways, now malume wami. Now mkhulu wami. Mkhulu wamamane guys. Now baba wami. Sasefoni. Now Coco. YouTube.
Yes, it is.
Hello, Mama. Hello. If it is me.
What is on the end? So on the end.
Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just goes strong. You leave it alone, but you're still getting close. And we both know it's wrong. Can't keep this for long. While it's going on, put it in a song.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the coffee. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say.
Fight yandle.
Yeah. Oh, shayisibhakela.
Boxing.
One day kamkhulu ugogo usezohlala phansi. Thiwa. Yanhle shabishabholo.
Hey man.
Ashove.
Kanti liyakusinda nje.
Hayine. Liza.
Paradise. And when we're making love, your cries that can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. Everything I need between those lines. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it.
Over there, somewhere there in these waters, I saw like a huge crab. Like it's huge, guys. Like it's not those crabs that are on the beach. It's a huge. It's like angazna kazaranjani. It's just somewhere there. It's like a huge freshwater crab. But anyways, this is our little stream. Our little waterfall. I think the boulders over there are Vimbe Amantamani. But then I'm looking for the crab. Like it was a huge crab, guys.
Don't you love when I come around? Somebody to build you up in a tree.
It just might be a swear, just might be a What am I missing? Always taking up late time. I got with a nigga. It's just too much to take on. What am I missing? Game like game, or from a sugar daddy. keep playing. Love is a losing game. And I just can't take no more. No more. Love
Give me a
is
pose.
losing game, so I just might be yours.
Must think my mind is doing la-dee-da-dee. I know that you have bodies, have the bodies. I signed up when I called you Ronnie.
Morning, people. This is Dandee. Like I said, yeah, I don't know why I'm saying that, but anyways, like so yeah, but anyways, I would like to close off the video since we are almost at the end of the video. You guys know the drill. Please press the subscribe button, like, share and comment down below, and also don't forget to press the notification bell so that you're gonna know when I'm gonna drop more content. But anyways, yeah, love you guys. Thank you for sticking. Thank you for sticking. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and thank you for supporting me throughout. So yeah, guys, and I would like to acknowledge you guys too. I appreciate your support. So yeah, as for 5 chapters of the video, this is chapter 5, the last chapter, and I'm closing it off.
I don't know what's wrong with you girls. I feel like y'all don't need love. You need somebody who could micromanage you, you know what I'm saying, tell you right from wrong, who's smart from who's a fool, which utensil to use for which food. Like, I got a schedule to attend to though. I can't really.
Yes, from the first Dandee video.
Discuss all those lies about fighting out here like you digging me out, and I ain't even coming, I'm in and out, and you ain't about the shit you rapping about, and I can spend the whole I'm wearing it down. I'm going home like a sort of. You tell these hoes you ain't cuddling, but with me enough, doing all that shit. You telling these hoes you ain't tricking off, but with me enough, I'm gon' get it all. How you niggas get so carried away, tripping when that dick is barely third place. Fucked out of pity, it's cute that you lame. Damn, cause it's mad I can fake like it's hang. You slime me, yo out. You slime me, yo out. You slime me, yo out. Oh, 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 oh.
Yeah. January, you pretend to see life clearly, yearly. February is the time that you put the evil eye and the pride aside for the fantasy of getting married. Very scary. March got you already second guessing titles. April, spring is here just like a spring starts to spiral.